we need some rain. So this is a big salmon stream. I got some video of last year, how high it is. I'll see if I can find the video of the salmon in here and show you the difference. We're going to need some rain to get the salmon up the thing. It's very low, like they couldn't even pass through there. So, yeah. I like that. You can see where I'm pointing to. There's Jackson. Keep going. Keep going. Come. Come on. Come on. Okay, then get out of the way. Well, you gotta keep going. Go. Go. Let's go. What are you doing? Actually, I never get to go down here. Usually water's too thick to go down here. Very low.